Hey, what's up, guys? This time on my G37 trying to do test pipes. So we got that. We got Jonathan. What's up, Jonathan?
What's
And we're gonna try to do the test pipes on this, just like we did with Will's car. So under here, we got the Cats. More pristine than Will's, but yeah, trying to penetrate oil things. And I just realized that my exhaust is like pristine. It's like titanium, isn't it? Looks like.
Oh,
Dude.
stainless steel.
Yeah, because it's really, really good. Also, under this whole car, there's like no rust. There's surface rust here, but in terms of everything, it's better than my old car. And there's just, it looks pristine. Like even under here. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing this. I'm gonna provide updates while we're doing it, but yeah, see you guys when we start. All right, so we're back here. We got the intakes off there, and then we jacked it up more. This one's looking easier than the other one up here because of the fact that, like, legitimately, there's more space than an M, which makes 0 sense. I don't understand that one, but you know, that's a thing. We actually didn't have to actually get the full-on, you know, thing off. Hi, John.
What's up?
But yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. And then we got, of course, that off. That's weird right there, but you know. But yeah, I'll update when we get the next part off. Alright, hey, what is up, guys? We're back. So I kind of forgot to film what we did, but basically what we did is it was just a straightforward process. We just took off the bolts and put the new one on. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how it looks under there. It's literally just pipes, so I want to go ahead and give a sound clip for you. So here's, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, let me go ahead and get out of my car real quick, and then I'll put you guys on the floor, or on the ground behind my car, and then we'll go ahead and do it. Also, I noticed that it just kind of smells like titanium, so. Alright, that's the sound clip of the car. Also, I have just random junk in my hair, and my hands are just, you know, my nails are just disgusting and gross, so you know, that's a thing. But yeah, I wish I could have gotten more clips of the actual exhaust install. We had to have Jonathan's dad help us to actually get most of it on, which is kind of interesting. But overall, I mean, don't have any engine codes or anything like that. No engine codes, which is always nice. Those oxygen sensor, I guess what they call like extensions or whatever, those are working, which is nice. So, but yeah, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and drive up the street, and I'm just gonna go around the roundabout and yeah, show you guys that to see how it sounds from, you know, this. So I'll go ahead and put you guys down right in my, I'll put you guys right in my seat next to me. And you guys are gonna get to hear what it sounds like. So I'm gonna try to keep the windows down just a little bit, kind of give it a little bit of a thing here, just so you can get an actual experience of like launching. I know there's not many on it, but my exhaust that I'm running is a Q300 Invidia exhaust, and then I'm also running these, what are they called? I think they're Berk test pipes, not resonated test pipes. And honestly, it sounds raspy, but I'm kind of a fan of the raspiness. It's not a bad sound in my opinion. Definitely most people in the car community don't like raspiness, but I am the type of person that kind of likes it, if that makes sense. And it also kind of has like a little like flutter on it too, which is kind of nice. I do like that. I do like the flutter on it. I guess that would be called drone, I guess, is what the actual name for it is a drone. But yeah. So we're gonna go up here, and I'm gonna go up off of the thing. Also, I'm gonna film a video of me cruising down to a place called a Rabbit Hash. It's Rabbit Hash, Kentucky, and we're gonna go down there and just kind of, you know, cruise down there and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this thing handles and stuff on the back roads. I'm not gonna go the fastest, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this thing kind of handles around corners and everything. And it's hopefully gonna be a POV view here. I really hate this intersection right here, but it's the only way that there is, so you know. Alright, here's the launch right here. I think that sounds amazing, by the way. I think that truly sounds amazing. I really like the sound of that. You guys may not be able to hear my voice very well, but I'm trying to, like, you know, go ahead and show you guys this. And we're also going to put it into actual, like, sport mode, so that it kind of has a higher revving for it. So, alright, we're in sport mode now. This is actually like the manual mode. At the crank. So the wheels is probably around 330, which is the stock for this car. But in all honesty, like, I'm fine with that. I don't want this car to be much more fast. I just want to, you know, I want to kind of have it sound really nice, and then I also kind of want to have it to where, you know, I can drive it and have fun with it. As before, it was really quiet. Well, not really quiet, but it was really kind of low frequency, and I kind of like the a little bit louder of the exhaust on, and it says, because whenever I had it before, the tone of it was perfect, and it still is perfect, but it's just the actual sound wasn't loud enough for me, and that's why I went with non-resonated. But I think I might get resonated eventually. It just depends on what I do with this car. But the next thing that I'm going to be doing is probably the wheels that I've had for 3 or so months. The other thing that I also noticed is I can smell gas, which is kind of like, you know, weird. I mean, it's not really like gas inside the car from a leak. It's really just like the smell in the back of it whenever you're just idling and sitting, because there's no catalytic converter, so you smell the fumes and everything. Probably not the best thing, but I mean, I don't smell it very often, so you know. But yeah, whenever I get to this stop sign here, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys check out some of my other videos. Maybe, you know, share with your friends and everything. See if they have a G37, and just try to, you know, I don't know. But I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, it's been a fun, interesting day today. But yeah, without further ado, I hope you guys stay spooky, my friends, and goodbye.